So we're looking at them shorter pieces just dropping out. So this is the result of the 2-comb graduated bob haircut. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you another way with a flat topper, and I'm going to refine it. So if you want to check out this haircut that I did, it is over, well, it's on my channel. You can go and have a look. It's probably previous to this, or it's a little further back. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this in like so, and I'm just going to create the angle that I want, and then just refine out this graduated bob, but make sure we are over directing this back. And you can see it's getting steeper. So we're going to put it in. I'm just going to bring it back. I'm just making sure we're staying square. So we've got the set square on the bubble there, just to make sure that we are staying square. Just get a comb in there. But again, from my ponytail haircut videos, it's seen as if they're not professional, which I wouldn't say cut hair like that at all in the salon. It's just a training technique. But with this, we can put that in there now, go quite tight to that hairline, and then just be taking that off, and then again through there, and then what we're getting is a tighter, see for that middle part, through there, we're getting a tighter graduated bob. So let's just cut to there so you can see where we're at. And again, put it in there, make sure we're sort of squaring up through there, and then bringing it back around to there. And then just slowly working through that hair. You can see that is just getting tighter and tighter into that neckline. I'll just tidy up that hairline, and we'll come on there in a minute to continue with that. So we'll put that in through there, bring it back square. And just taking that tight into there. And because we're taking it and then bringing it back square, we're keeping the shape. Now we want to connect that top piece, bring that up to where it is. And that is just connecting through there. So we're looking at them shorter pieces just dropping out. And we're just wanting to blend it. And then we're getting, look at that shape there, we're getting that much stronger shape now. And let's just comb this through. So still a heavier line than what we want. You can see that through there. Let's jump to there. There, we're getting that angle in there now. Still feels just a bit heavy through that top section there, so go a little bit higher now, and as we would with scissor over comb, just going to move flat topper up. And you can see it's all blended, or blend in. Pull it back, push it in here, and let's go as if it's a scissor over comb. The beauty of this as well is we've got the, there it is there, we've got the bubble. So we know if we're going to be square or not. So, and this is something I wouldn't do in salon necessarily. It's something I wanted to bring you. Something I would use like for a flat topper or something like that. But for a graduated barber, just because I did that last haircut in a different way, I thought I would show you this in a different way. How you can just bring all this up, add loads of texture, loads of sort of blending. So there we go. Something a little bit different. There we go. Could do a little bit more through the sides, but just a quick video just to show you how we can do things a little bit differently as a training exercise, or just have a little bit of a play. If you were struggling with graduation, it's down to balance, something like that, someone with a sort of spirit level bubble in, just to be able to bring it all back so you can understand where hair's got to come back to create a shape like that. I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments down below. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and a thumb up. I'll see you in the next video.